Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today we will see how to import response spectrum data from Excel into Etabs. This Excel sheet I have prepared for complete design assistance according to ACI code. I am going to prepare complete building design course using this Excel sheet. Today I will show how to import the response spectrum data from Excel sheet to Etabs. For example, we have got the data for CS for different time periods. CS is normalized acceleration response spectrum. These CS values and time period values will be imported to the Etabs. So first I will copy the time period, then open a new Excel sheet. Here just paste as value, and then I will select the CS values for selected soil category. Copy this one, then go to new Excel book, paste here. Okay, now this file we will save as, I am saving in desktop. Here I will save as text. This one tab delimited. This one select specific this format text. Click on this. Then here we can type the file name RSA. Click on save. Yes. Close this one. Then I will open Etabs. I will open an existing model. Now I will go to define functions response spectrum. Here go to from file, add new function, browse, desktop, file, text, this one, open. So this is the response spectrum curve generated using the data imported. Convert to user defined. Click on this. Okay, this one we can type here RSA for a specific soil type. If you want to provide the name, you can provide that one. Here our soil type is SD according to the soil report. Here I have prepared that one also to determine the soil type. This one, from here we can determine the soil type. I am going to prepare complete design course. When the design course will be ready, I will prepare a video how to get that course, and that one will be uploaded to YouTube. So stay tuned with our channel Decode BD. Here this one we have imported. Here we can provide the soil type SD, RSA SD. This is the damping ratio, and this is the this side time period, this side CS value. Okay, click on OK. So in this way we can import the response spectrum data from Excel file to Etabs. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming important tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.